Hi everyone, welcome to my 2021 bullet journal setup. This is the first time that I am setting up my bullet journal and I'm using A5 dot grid journal from Archer and Olive. Let's have a quick overview of what I'll be creating today. So I'll start with the 2021 cover page, followed by the page with the calendar and simple watercolor painting. And then I'm keeping a couple of pages for the months to add some important dates. After that, I'm adding goal planner along with YouTube and Instagram content ideas. And for the last page, I'm adding space for my focus, dream, as well as affirmations. So let's get started. So for the cover page of my journal, I'm using Wormhole Collection acrylograph pens. I'm starting my first page by writing 2021 in the middle of the page. Now I'm just starting to fill this page with abstract looking flower pattern. I want to test this acrylograph pen, so I'm going with totally random design and random colors. I am almost done with my flower design, and in remaining white space, I'll be adding little stars and dots. I really love using the metallic colors, so at the end, I'm adding some gold colors on the lettering 2021 and also doing the same on the random flowers. That's about the cover page of 2021. I really like the end result with acrylograph pens along with the metallic colors. On the next page, I'm adding 2021 calendar print. If you want this calendar print, it's available in my Etsy store. It's a plain calendar and available in two different sizes, so feel free to check that out if you want. And I decided to add some colors and star doodles on this page to make it look more prettier. And our calendar page is done. I'm adding one more painting next to my calendar, and I'll be using watercolor for that along with 300 GSM watercolor paper and a masking tape. So for this painting, I wanted to do something very simple, and I'm starting by applying the orange color on top. Also, this doesn't need to be perfect. It's totally okay if the watercolors are not looking smooth enough or blended properly. Once the layer is completely dry, start with applying one more layer of watercolor. This time I'm applying brown and then orange followed by yellow. Now I'm starting with a super simple design. I'm going with flowers and leaves design as I want to keep the same theme as my 2021 cover page. Since our background is dark, I'm able to use white pen for adding some doodles. And honestly, at this point, I did not had any design in mind, so I'm just adding a completely random one. Finally, the painting is done and I'm removing the masking tape. I took a printout of my painting on a matte presentation paper. I got this idea of adding a print from JennyJournals. Her work is amazing and I'm really inspired to try out so many new things from her videos. By the way, if you are looking to get any of this digital print for your journal, I have added the link of my Etsy shop in the description below. Moving on to the next part, I'll be doing important date section for all the months. On the next couple of pages, I'm keeping some space to add my goals and also some ideas for my Instagram and YouTube content. And this is the final page of my setup where I'll be adding my focus, stream as well as affirmations. I didn't want to add any more doodles, so I'm just adding some random watercolors. So that's it for 2021 journal setup. Thank you for watching this video and let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you make this design, please take me on Instagram. I would really love to see your creations.